Radio Bora Bora. Hentai Bora Bora.
Here. Welcome in Maupiti. If you watch videos in my channel, you know this is not the first video from French Polynesia. And in many occasions people are asking me, what did you do there? They are saying, I'm not sure I would like to go there for vacations because it's in the middle of nowhere and nothing to do. What do people do and how they make a living? The answers are easy but hard to understand for some of the people because the living is so diverse from the rest of the world. Give me the stone. Give me the stone. Give me the stone. Losing it. I got it. This video is going to show you a little part of my regular day in Maupiti. You wake up in the morning and the sun is giving you electricity. Sea is giving you food. You just need to go fishing. Like really holding the other. My favorite seafood is lobster. In other parts of the world, lobster is very expensive and rare to buy fresh. Here, lobster is a day-by-day menu option. I'm in Airbnb house with a local family. Link in the description below, perhaps you want to come here one day. So once again, today's catch. They offer to prepare the food for me every day, but I really like to do it myself. I like cooking in overall, but my best thing to cook is lobster. In this video you are going to see how easy it is to prepare it. In the comment section below, tell me how do you like to prepare your type of lobster. Please subscribe, like and share the video. Also you can follow me on my Instagram. Front of the beach. This is for big tuna?
Peroque.
For peroque?
Yes.
Big fish?
Yes.
How many meter? Oh, okay. With a normal knife it's much better. This is quite hard because this knife is not like super straight, but I'm trying my luck. So this was cutting the lobster with a knife which hasn't been sharpened for like a long time. Okay. Okay, we're good now. Definitely. That's my dinner for tonight. Yes. Basically you have to take the guts out, and this is the one. This is the one you definitely need to take out. The vein I just removed is only one part you should not eat. You can also eat internal organs, which I'm removing right now. I just don't find them tasty. The lobster has got brain, which is like a gel. I'm going to clean it out soon too. Some people boil the lobster before grilling, but I prefer to grill it with lots of butter, which makes it nice and tender. So basically this lobster is already dead, but it's a fresh one. I'm so sorry for you. You are in the chain below me. Jungle rules. It's gonna eat crabs, gonna eat that right now. And I need to clean it with the salty water. I could just wash it out with regular water, but the lobster is coming from the sea, so I think the best way is just gonna be cleaning it out. The host of the house is Oliwia, and her husband is going fishing into these waters twice a day. In the morning he is catching lunch, and in the afternoon fishing for the dinner. Apart that he needs to look after the house, that is his day-by-day duty. If you would like to see more videos related to living in that house, you can click on the links at the end of the video. Back to the grilling point. Looks like we have a big fire, and this is gonna be really nice, given really nice temperature. I'm using a lot of garlic. I know it's not the best for kissing, but it's great for your health because it's a natural antibiotic. When you squeeze the butter between the meat and the shell, I guarantee you, your lobster is gonna be moist and soft. The most important in making perfect lobster is to calculate the time of grilling. That's really crucial. This one is around 1 kilo. That's 2 pounds. I will grill it for about 10 minutes. I'm in the middle of Pacific Ocean, and I'm really lucky today because I have a cold beer, which is not easy to get here. Cheers, na zdrowie, salut, prost. This is really nice. Big piece. My next video is going to be the last one from Maupiti. You will see how easy it is to catch dinner going from A to B. I will also show you unique Maupiti airport, which is located on a very small island.